Hello, this is the module on using Sears subject headings that are located in the Wilson Web's database. This module will show you how to log on to the Wilson Web databases using WKU libraries and how to use Sears subject headings to find the Sears classification and Dewey numbers for items that you are cataloging. So here we are at our practicum course site, and to access the WKU libraries databases, the first thing you're going to do is to select WKU libraries from our navigation bar, which is located right here. So here we are at WKU libraries, and the next thing we're going to do is go to the databases by selecting this link, which is located right here. Now we will scroll down to the S's to find Sears. And you see right here the Sears list of subject headings H.W. Wilson. So we'll select that. And then you will need to log in using your WKU ID and password. Now here we are at the interface, and the Sears interface is very similar in look and feel to all of the other databases that are in EBSCOhost. So you need to make sure that you're in the right place. So look for Sears list of subject headings there at the top. And what I do when I select a field, because I want the widest choices of subject headings possible, I use TX all fields. And let's do a couple of practice subject heading searches. Let's say that we are looking for a book about wild cats, like lions and tigers, just very general book about wild cats. But I don't quite know what to look for, and I know I'm not looking for lions. So what I'm going to do is just enter in a very general subject term, cats, and see what I get. Alright, I get these subject headings. I get cats, used for felines and kittens, with a Dewey number of 599.75 or 636.8. I get cats with a subdivision of literary collections, and I also get a subject heading of wild cats. And so it looks like, because the directions say use this term for both feral cats, which are domestic cats that are wild, or wild cats, all one word, I think that that is the subject heading that I need. And then I see that I have a choice of a Dewey number of 599.75 or 636.8, and depending upon the nature of the item I'm cataloging, and I can check those classifications in my Dewey table, I will choose either one or the other of those Dewey numbers. So that is one example of searching for a subject heading, and let's try another one. Let's search for something on cars. All right, what I see are stock car racing, antique and classic cars, compact cars, carpool, sports cars, automobiles paintings, automobile drivers, automobile industry, and I see a subject heading called automobiles. So what I'm understanding is that Sears does not have a subject heading for cars. Instead, it directs us to use the term automobiles for cars. So there is a Dewey heading of 388.3 or 629.222 that I can apply to an item that is dealing with cars depending on the nature of the item. So that is the way that you use the Sears subject heading list to find the classification for your items and also the appropriate Dewey number. And before you start using the Sears list, what I suggest that you do is to read the front matter, which is located on Blackboard and also located in the help area of Sears. And I'm going to try to find that for you. It's here. Sears list of subject matters, front matter in PDF format. This is really a guide for how you use Sears subject headings. And it's a fairly lengthy document, so I just suggest that you browse it. And then at the end of the document is a list of form subdivisions that I think you will find very useful. So that is the end of this module, and if you've got questions, please post them to Blackboard.